Hello friends, welcome to your code world. So in this tutorial, we are going to see a decision making. So as name suggests us, the decision making means we are making some decision. If this happen, then do this, or otherwise do that. Okay. So in this we are using if and else statement. Okay. So it come in three phases. If statements, if else statements, and nested if statements. Okay. So first of all, what is if statement? An if statement consist of Boolean expression followed by one or more statement. Okay. What it means? It means that if statement it consists of Boolean expression, means true or false, followed by one or more statement or a condition. Okay. So this is the syntax of if statement. If expression, then statement, otherwise no. So to execute this, let's take an example. A equals to 100. Okay, I have assigned a variable a which hold the value 100. Okay, and I'm taking if statement. If a equals to 100, then print okay. Okay. So if a will be 100, then and then only it will go inside the if statement and print okay. Okay. So let's execute this. So I'm getting okay, because our a is holding a value of 100. If I change the value a equals to 10, then it will print nothing. Okay. You can see I have run this. Therefore it is I am running it. It is not printing anything. Okay. This is only a if statement. Okay. So next we have a if else statement syntax. Okay, the syntax of if and else statement is like this. If condition or expression is true, then executes if statement, otherwise else uh, it will execute this statement. Okay, so let's take same example. A equals to 100, and if okay, if a equals to 100, a equals to 100, then print okay, else print not okay. Okay, so let's see by running this. Let's go through it. So if a equals to 100, as we can see, a equal holding the value of 100, so it will goes in if statement and print okay. So let's execute this. So I'm getting okay. Okay, if I change the value of a equals to 10, and since we clearly see that if a will not go in a if statement, if it will go in else statement, so it will print not okay. So let's run it. You can see it is printing not okay. So this is if and else statement. And let's see what is elif statement. Elif statement, it says that if the condition is true, then print is statement. If it is not, then go through else statement. It will take the nested loop like. So for this also we can take like a equals to 100, same example. And now if a equals to 100, if a equals to 100, then we will print, we will print 100, otherwise l if if. So be clear, l if then condition, if a equals to 10, then print, 10. Okay, then same, a equals to 1, then print 1, otherwise else print print nothing. Okay, so let's execute it and we will get 100. Okay, since a equals to 100, so if this statement has executed, so a equals to 100. If I put the a equals to 10, then it will first go in else, see the condition of if it is not a good, it is not sufficient for if statement, because a is not a 10, a is 100 here. Then, after that it will go in else if statement and see the condition a equals to 10, so it is matching from our given, so it will execute and give us the 10, you can see. And same here, if I put the 1, then it will give me 1. If I put the 0, then it will go in else statement. Okay, you can see. So this is only a if and else statement. So yeah, uh, I hope you like this video and get the about the what is decision making in Python, and see how to execute or write a code in if and else statement. You all.